Hi, it's Michael LaFido from Lux Properties and eXp Realty, and we're standing at this amazing property behind me that we represent that was built by Patrick Murphy. It features 6 bedrooms, 6.2 baths. It's just over 9,900 square feet. It features 5 levels of living, including an amazing indoor sports court. So why don't we go take a look inside? Now we're in the entryway of this PJ Murphy built home. To my right, you have the formal living room. Again, 2 sets of French doors that open up, which are tremendous during the summer. You have some full screens. We're next gonna walk through, your eyes are drawn to the rear of the house. I got 2 sets of doors that are open up with screens. You have your family room, your non-formal family room here with the fireplace, and as you can see, you have 2 sets of doors that open up to the 3 seasons room. You also have a couple beverage fridges here, but let's take a look at one of my favorite rooms in this home. Again, natural burning fireplace. You have a blue stone floor here. You have blue stone. You can see it here. You got the fireplace. You have windows, and you open up the windows, and guess what? You have full screens. You pull down the screen, so literally you can enjoy this on a nice, cool fall night or spring morning. Literally no bugs would be coming in here. And of course you have your grill here that overlooks the back patio. And one of my warmest rooms in this house that just calls your name, that you want to sit down, read a book, is right off the kitchen. You literally have a floor to ceiling stone fireplace, and you have reclaimed barn wood here in this ceiling of the hearth room. It's one of my favorite rooms, which naturally opens up to the kitchen. The heart of any home is the kitchen. This kitchen's got stainless steel appliances. You got your double oven, your warming drawer. You have 2 islands, so even if you don't like to cook, you like to entertain, you bring in the caterer, you bring in the chef, and you have 2 islands, which is really unique. You got this nice little peak hole that overlooks the family room, and some of the other features of this first floor. You got an oversized mudroom. You got a secondary laundry room. You have 2 sets of garages. You have your oversized 2-car garage, and you have your 3rd car bay. So that's the first floor of this amazing property. You're entering the sport court. You know, a lot of these McMansions and these amazing homes have outdoor sport courts, which you can use only 5 months out of the year, but this sport court, literally, you can use 365 days of the year, 12 months out of the year. Literally, you can't miss. With this house, you can't miss either. Now that we've seen the first floor, the lower level, and the sport court, why don't we go take a look at the 2nd floor and what that has to offer. And let's take the elevator up there. We're now on the 2nd floor, which features 5 bedrooms, including a full laundry room. Each of these bedrooms up here are en-suites. They each have their own walk-in closet and full bathroom. But we're now going to be entering the primary bedroom, which has natural light galore, including a nice little sitting area and a full fireplace. It's a gorgeous fireplace with TV above it, and you got some really cool built-in bookshelves that actually open up, which have some great storage behind there for suitcases or whatever you'd like. Let's take a look at the bathroom, which has a soaking tub, a shower. Take a look. I hope the inside didn't disappoint you. Now let's talk a little bit about location. Of course, this home is situated in Wheaton, Illinois. We're in Arrowhead subdivision, but around us we have so many amenities, including the elementary school. You have the Illinois Prairie Path, which you can walk, ride to downtown Wheaton or other towns. You got the high school, which is a stone's throw away. And of course, you have Arrowhead Golf Course and Restaurant, which you can watch your local ball game, your favorite team up at that bar, at that restaurant. Again, I hope you enjoyed this tour. To view this home as well as other homes, go to luxchicagolandhomes.com. My name is Michael Affido. Remember, it's not the market, it's the marketing.